Okay, y'all. Unrecognizable makeup is a new level of effort. And I feel like it's a disgrace to the Unrecognizable girlies, to the Doyen makeup. True unrecognizable makeup, you can do things with like prosthetics, you can have tape, you can have all these different methods, but I personally feel as if I use neck tape, I would look ridiculous, so we're not gonna do that. So those of you who know my channel, I have like 300 subscribers, right? I never check my email because I just doubt that people are gonna send me emails because I'm that small of a YouTuber. But I'm scrolling through my email, I'm like, you know what? What if someone emailed me? Let's just have some help. They did, like 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I just completely ghosted them, and it was Ana Luisa. And Ana Luisa, if you don't know them, they're this jewelry brand that is carbon neutral, and they create these really cute pieces. They sent me a couple of jewelry pieces. This is one of them. It has a little bow, and the other one has this little heart and like a little pearl dropping from it. And this necklace is adorable. It's just this little like heart necklace, but in like, but it's cute. I love it. The earrings are really coquette. And the thing with Ana Luisa is their quality. Like I know me personally, when I go to buy jewelry, I'm really skeptical. I have to buy it from a brand that I really know and I really trust, or I just get it for really cheap online because it's going to be the same no matter where you shop. Because most of the time you have brands who just drop ship and they get something off of AliExpress or Amazon and they resell it under a higher price tag. And that's what I was checking for when I got my pieces from Ana Luisa. Because I was thinking to myself, I was like, well, I'm not going to promote a brand if their jewelry is just like this drop shipped, like cheap material. But it's not. It's really good. It's really quality. Like here, let me take off one of my earrings so I can, you know, let me do the one that doesn't split into 3 pieces when I take it off. Because it has like a chain and then this charm and then this, and I know it would have dropped on the floor. But it has this like, it clicks in place really well. It's not flimsy. It's not just like a single chain link that you can just put a charm through. Like it's quality. And what I really, really love about them is that they offer both styles in silver and gold. Although the majority of their styles are in gold, I'm more of a silver person, but as a silver person, I was able to find everything that I wanted there and more. They actually, when I was setting up with them, they were so friendly because I was like, oh my god, I am so sorry that I ghosted you guys for 2 weeks. And they were like, we're so glad you still want to work with us. So anyways, Ana Luisa, great products. I was really skeptical at first, but it's really high quality. They're carbon neutral, and it's actually pretty affordable. I mean, obviously you're not going to get the same prices as somewhere like AliExpress or Amazon, but they're going to last you a really long time. And they also don't tarnish. You know, like that like metallic-y scent that you get when you put on like a silver necklace and you wear it for like 2 days and then it starts smelling like rust. Yeah, that's tarnishing. It's a reaction that the metal has with oxygen. And I hate it. It's what prevents me from buying jewelry a lot of the time because that just happens to everything that I touch. This doesn't tarnish. I'm gonna be so real right now. I've worn it in the shower like 3 times. I don't really take my jewelry off when I shower. That's how you know that that's how you know it's high quality. Click my link down below to check out Ana Luisa. Oh, but seriously, please check my link out. I really appreciate it. And thank you to Ana Luisa for taking a chance on me after I ghosted them for like a month. Now to the makeup. Start with our primer. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with niacinamide. I love it. One of my favorite primers. Best one I've ever used. Evens my skin tone. I know people like throw that word out a lot, but it's really nice. Like, you know those like little bumps that you get on your skin? I don't have those after I use that. I also have a niacinamide serum, but this one, even if I forget to use my serum, like this one comes in clutch. So now we're gonna do our brows. Now I know what you're thinking, Sam, why are we doing our brows? Guys, I always mess up my brows. I'm just gonna take a generic brown eyeshadow that I got in an Ipsy bag and just gonna line the ends. Okay. This is what we're gonna, I think I did a really good job with my eyebrows. I think I did a pretty good job. And don't hate on me for that because it's been a lot worse and you guys know that. All right, now we're gonna start underpainting. And the products that I'm gonna be using for this one, I know, they're pretty complicated. You gotta hold on. Juvia's Place. I've hyped up Juvia's Place in the past. Juvia's Place, girl, how are you so good at doing what you do? And how do you have your shade range encompass all of the beautiful babes? You're perfect. And I give you a 10. Juvia's. We're gonna be using, girl, where are you? We're gonna be using the Rare Beauty Contour in Bright Side. Oh, by the way, this one's in shade 24, which I think is their lightest. And then for my blush, I'm gonna be doing the Tower 28. I bought this online. I did sell them out. So sorry guys, everybody who wanted a Tower 28 blush in office hours, I took that from you. And the irony is that I'm not actually a huge fan of this blush. I'm gonna first go in with my concealer. Right there. That's where I know I need it. If you have somewhere like that, where you have kind of acne, I have mine around my cheeks, but okay, so it's 2 inches, not even. If you have acne on your cheeks, you're gonna wanna do that too, okay? In the same verse, I have my bronzer. I usually like bronzing right there. And that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over this part. And I know our products are going to converge a little bit. That's okay, it's gonna happen. We're gonna blend them anyways. I like contouring along my jawline because I have a very rounded jaw. But if I have that darkness underneath, I have to highlight my jawbone. So I'm gonna go over here. For the sides of my nose, I usually use an angled brush or like a very thin brush in general. Hi. Hey girls. I have my wet beauty blender. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. I'm gonna talk to you guys because we really want to let it sit in. We don't want it to completely be blended by this beauty blender. Guys, I miss Emma Chamberlain. Bring back Emma Chamberlain. I know she technically still posts, but it's not like fun stuff anymore. I miss when she had like, you know, her at-home coffees and she was like talking to us about like vlogs and like doing little like challenges and tutorials and like discussions. Like I miss that. That's what I want to be for you guys. I want to be the type of creator who does things like Emma Chamberlain because I want to be someone who's there in the girl world, because I feel like girl world only has like really problematic influencers that we hate watch, people who only do like makeup videos, people who only do fashion videos. I want to be a little bit of everything for you guys. That's why I make both, you know, long form videos where it's, you know, video essays or I'm talking to you about something, and I also like doing makeup tutorials. So I really appreciate you guys for letting me do this and giving me that outlet. Anyways, so now I can blend. So now I'm gonna go with my foundation. My foundation, I always use my About Face, the Performer Skin Focus Foundation. If I had a makeup spatula, that's what I would do, but I don't. So that's not what I'm doing. I wanna know what you guys want from me, because I've been doing a lot of kind of what I wanna do, but I really wanna know what you guys want me to do. I wanna know if you guys want me to do more makeup videos, if you guys want me to do more like video essays. I really love you guys, and what really makes me happy is, so like every time that I post a video, I get at least a few like subscribers, which makes me like so happy because you guys actually like my content enough to like actually subscribe. Because I know there are so many creators that I'll just like watch a video and I won't subscribe, and it really means a lot to me. So you guys, I love you guys so much. For this, for our Tower 28 blush, I should have underpainted with this. I'm gonna be so real right now, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. Now I'm going with my powder blush. I'm using Milani, the Baked Blush in the shade Romantic Rose. I have this random Rude palette from TJ Maxx, so that's what I'm probably gonna use. I'm gonna do the tape trick. If you don't know the tape trick I'm about to teach you, that looks really stupid, but you just take 2 pieces of tape so that you have kind of like an angle for your makeup. I'm just gonna go with this darker brown shade. I have this palette which I really like. I used to do a lot of goth makeup. I like the Blowing Smoke palette from ColourPop. Look at how perfect it is. Okay. I think I want to do a little bit more black. Just that's how it all starts. That's how it all starts, and I see I have a goth look. That's how it happens. And the bottom one. Now I'm gonna go on with a little bit of concealer underneath, just to get rid of those like little streaks. That's why I haven't set with powder yet. Do you guys mind if I do this off camera? If I do my lashes off camera? Look, it's pretty easy. You have this glue. This is the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive in black, and you brush it on the lash and then let it get tacky for a little bit, and then you just put it on, okay? That might have been the longest lash install I've ever done. That was so bad. Okay. Okay, girls, we're gonna get back into blush. I know, we're doing it again. So, this is the ColourPop one. Oh, the Twilight one. And this is in Vampire Skin. She's so iconic. I'm gonna go in. See, I think I also got, yeah, I also got this in an Ipsy bag. I'm just gonna go in with like the inner corner. I have to do my liner. And with this, I'm really gonna do a bold line. I'm using the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. I'm gonna do the Lyric Poetry shade of this Flower Nose Matte Little Angel collection. And then I'm gonna go in with a gloss. What gloss do I wanna do? I think I'm gonna go in with this Romand one in the shade Dado Bend. And then I'm gonna go with the Clear Essence gloss. And I'm gonna set my cheeks and under eyes. That's all I'm gonna do. I usually set my face very heavily, but since this is a bronzed look, I'm not gonna do that. And I'm gonna go in with a second set of highlighter, because that's just who I am. That's just who I am. I think it's lit. I love it. Okay, thank you guys for sitting through the entire video. I know it was a little bit long, but unrecognizable makeup takes a long time. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around to the end. I like the look. Up close, I don't really have a lot of caking. I have part of my eyebrow that's a little bit covered, but I'm too lazy to fix that. So, my makeup when I do it doesn't usually cake that much. It's because I like to balance cream products and powders, because powders set your cream products. Thank you guys. Just a reminder, if you want my cute earrings and my necklace, and to check out their giant array of products, go to the link in the description. And Louisa, they are perfect. Thank you to them for not giving up on me after I ghosted them for multiple weeks. If you know the channel, you know I'm learning Dutch. Like and subscribe. Alsjeblieft bedankt. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Wow. Guys, I'm so constipated. Like, I need to poop bad. But that's besides the point. You should go and watch some of the other videos. I have a nice assortment of things. I'd love to see you there. Bye.